All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice number 6. Let me adjust the screen here a little bit. There we go. All right. So we'll check the time, December 26th at 5:04 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have December 26th at 5:04 p.m. There is the list of our 11 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. Hold on a second here. You guys can't see the roll. There it is. The roll is 5. All right, so 5 times. Let me move this back down here. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Robert. Spot 5 is your winner. So, Robert, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 26th, 5:05 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.